Now I'm pleased to introduce today's featured presenter, Dr. Maude David. Dr. David is an assistant professor in the Department of Microbiology at Oregon State University, where her lab studies the gut-brain axis in order to understand how microbes can impact our behavior, particularly with regard to autism spectrum disorder and anxiety.
It's called the M3 project, Metabolite, Microbiome, and the Mind, and that tries to identify specifically the biomarker. So they could be bacteria or little molecule the bacteria produce, little compounds, using what we call a multi-omics approach, meaning using multiple technologies to try to understand how the gut microbiota could be associated with autism and potentially impact it. It's something we really need to make sure we do, and we do a lot, and we make sure we pass a message that we want, because of a lot of misinformation online, and just because also I think it's exciting to just engage with a broader audience. In terms of our training as scientists, Oregon State University has, where I am, has workshops that you can attend to help with communications. It can be either for, it's targeted specifically for interviews or TV or different. And I think that it is really a good idea. All universities should implement that. It is key. It is key. I hope I convinced everyone in this presentation that the crowdsource was a way to do that. It was a way to engage with the general public, and the participants, obviously, of this study. Early on, I would really advise to engage with stakeholders, or area that's a little bit just outside the purely academic setup, and try to engage with stakeholders. And there may be also local companies, but they could be local station federal agencies, like in Corvallis we have EPA, like a lot of local people, and try to see how your interests could work together. What are the local needs, and does that match any of your skill set or your expertise? And then I'd say the conversation starts this way, and then there's a long road to how can we make this work. What's the best route to make this work, and what's the vision everyone's having. Those relationships build up on a long term. It's a long term thing. It's not something like you're going to call someone and next day you submit a grant, it gets funded.